Hello everyone, my name is Luciana Sriwulandari and I am a management student. My student ID number is 642505553. Today I want to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. In my opinion, smoking in the campus is very inappropriate because a campus is a place for learning, not for smoking. Cigarette smoke not harms the smoker but also endangers other male, especially those who have asthma or respiratory problems. The smell of smoke can also disturb other people, comfort and concentration. Cigarette butts can even cause small fires in areas with dry grass or curtain spot. Students are the future leaders, so I strongly agree that smoking should not be allowed on campus grounds. The question word. Question words are words used to ask about time, place, person, object, thing, solution, method, etc. English question words are various WH words, namely words that begin with WH, what, where, when, why, who, or words that contains the letter W and H, how. What is a question word that functions to ask about something or something related to someone? For example, what's your favorite movie? What are you doing right now? What color do you like? Who? To ask about people, a personal or subject. For example, what did you mix yesterday? Who is that the new teacher? Who's calling me? Where? To find out information about the location, purpose, and function of someone or something. For example, where do you live? Where do you study? Where did you go yesterday? When is used to ask about the time of something. For example, when does the movie start? When will meeting start? When did she leave? Why? The question word functions as a reason or cause seeker. For example, why are you late? Why are you studying English? Why do wizards use wand? How? For you to ask when you want to ask about manner or process, condition, and quality. For example, how do you make this cake? How much is this book? How are you today? In the additional to the basic 5W plus 1H, there are also which, was, and when. Their words are also used to ask questions in English. Which is used when you want to ask about choice. For example, which color do you want? Which character is your favorite in Harry Potter? Which one do you like? Was in a question word used to ask about possession. For example, whose car is that? Whose bag is that? Whose turn is that? From is a type of question word from the person who has the possession of object or reception of the action from the subject. For example, whom are you going to meet? Whom are they waiting for? Whom do you want to talk to? How? There's a number of other expressions that are used in question. How old? How much? How many? How often? How far? And how long? How old? We use how old when we want to ask about age. How old are they? How much or how many? We ask how much or how many when we want to ask about numbers, quality or price. How much milk do you drink? How often? We use how often when we want to ask about frequency. How often does she study? How far? We use how far when we want to ask about distance. How far is it to London? How long? We use how long when we want to ask about duration or length. How long is the movie? Daily conversation using question mark. Harry. Hello, I don't think we have met before. Hermione. Hi, my name is Hermione. Harry. I'm Harry. So, where are you from? Hermione. I am from Beverly Hills. It's not too far from here. What about you? Harry. I'm from London. Things are a little different here. Hermione. Do you like it so far? Harry. Definitely. It's only been a week. Even though I'm living alone in my home, but I meet a lot of new people. Will you be coming the freshman party? Hermione. Yes, I'm coming. I guess I will see you there. Harry. You're right. Anyways, thank you so much for the welcome station. See you later. Thank you.